How you doing, everyone? It's Julie and Kevin here at the Mini Darndominium. Just letting everyone know that we had moved into the Mini Darndominium, and there for a while. Well, we was trying to figure out what we was going to do for internet, and we finally think we got that figured out. But so we're reposting. We're getting videos on and out there now. But
yeah, the internet service here is terrible.
If you take a scale from 0 to 1,000, and I don't know how that works, but I guess you can get up to a gig or something like that. Ours is like 6, and you don't even need 2 hands for that. So uploading the video here, I did that real short video I did earlier. It was 40 seconds long, and when I went to download it in the house here, it said 2.5 hours for a 40-second video. So it's impossible to upload a video from where we're at right now. But we're looking into different options on internet service so we can keep them videos coming. But it's not going to stop us. We have a good place to go now, and I can upload a 30-minute video in probably 9 minutes. So we got that behind us right now. We're up and we're running. I think everything's working out good. One of the biggest issues we had when we moved into the Mini Darndominium was, where do we put all the stuff that we accumulated over 30-some years? So,
well, and when we moved from Dilliner, we had a lot of our stuff was in totes, in storage, and like I told Kevin, I said, well, we've been living without the stuff for 2 years, so do we really need it? So for me, it wasn't that hard to get rid of this stuff. Kevin here is the one that...
I'm different.
He gets attached to everything. I don't, so...
I get attached to it because I always think, well, you know, as soon as I throw that away, that's when I'm going to need it. It was funny. Excuse me. It was funny because when we was moving in, we had the dryer. We went to plug the dryer in, and up the code now, you have to have a 4-plug an outlet for the dryer. And I go to plug the dryer in, not thinking it's got a 3-plug on it. So I said, man, I'm gonna have to go to town and get a 3-plug. And I'm telling you, we made so many trips to town. You don't ever want to go to Lowe's again because you've done so many trips. Well, anyhow, I go in the garage, and at this time we're bringing stuff from the house that's in Bobtown, where we were living at there while we were building this, and I got a bunch of boxes and stuff, and I had them in the garage, some milk crates, and I looked down, and right there is my 4-prong plug that I needed for dryer, which saved me 30-some bucks. I would imagine they're around 30 bucks. So that's kind of the reason why I don't like to throw things away, especially when you own your own house. And you just don't call somebody and tell them, hey, you know, I need a plug for the dryer or whatever. I can't do that. So that's kind of why I like having that stuff in the garage. But I do get attached to everything. I want to keep everything, but I'm learning. I'm learning to get rid of the stuff. I've got rid of a lot of stuff.
Yeah, you did.
So that was one of the biggest issues, just being able to find a place to put everything too. And like, Julie's still
trying to remember where things are in the cabinets and stuff. Like, where did I put this? And where did I put that?
Well, yeah, because, you know, it's a new house, and, like, you got to get comfortable where something is. You know, like, Julie may change a lot of things in the cabinets, moving it around. And, but, you know, surprisingly, when we built the upstairs attic, we had an 8-foot by 24-foot storage space up in the attic. And we have very little up in there. We have the Christmas stuff and a couple totes. I think that's about it.
Well, I didn't want to keep stuff that we might use in the future. That's just junk sitting around as far as I'm concerned. So we only kept what we absolutely needed.
Yeah, and you know, that stuff that was in storage for 2 years, we really didn't miss any of it. I mean, I don't even know that we looked through a lot of that stuff when we were living there for 2 years. While we were building the place. So, you know, we just stopped at a yard sale the other day, and a guy told us he's selling everything in his house. And Jolie said, you moving? And he said, yeah, he's moving into a tiny house.
Yeah.
So he was moving into a 300-square-foot house.
Yeah, I thought this was small. His is only like a third of ours.
Yeah, you could put 3 of his houses in this house.
Oh, my.
So, and he was pretty excited about it,
Yeah.
But man, getting rid of he was selling every single
Yeah.
thing in his house. Besides
Yeah.
his pictures and his computer, I think he was selling everything. But the little house is actually working out really nice. Now we're going to do a video on the cost of what we spent, the finished cost of this barndominium build. It's going to be a little bit later. We still don't have everything done. We know the trim's not done. We still have...
We still didn't get curtains.
Yeah, we don't even have curtains up.
There's still some things we need to do.
And we need, there's like pieces to the cabinets. We ordered more pieces to the cabinets.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stuff, but we do have the final cost of what we spent on the house. But you're gonna have to wait till we post that video, and we'll let you know how we got it and what we had to do to get it to the cost where we were. So we just wanted to let you know that we are in the house and everything is working out really good. We're still getting used to it, and it has been a blessing to be on one floor.
Oh yeah, that's the
best
part.
And not have to run up and down steps and stuff like that. So I'm going to let you guys go. I just wanted to let you know that we are in. Things are working out great. And I'd like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.